guys, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe my channel CA Hub. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos for the upcoming examination. Also join my Telegram channel CA Hub 12. I'll be attaching the link of the Telegram channel in the description of this video. Kindly join my Telegram channel. So this is a video about a CA Inter direct tax paper prediction and 60 plus exemption analysis for the direct tax, that is paper 3. This is the relevant for January 2026 attempt. Now let's see the paper prediction. Guys, this paper prediction is almost 70 to 80% short prediction. You can just trust on this video. Okay, now let's see the paper prediction. First question, they will come up with a total income chapter. Total income chapter for 15 marks. This is the mandatory question. 2A and 2B. See guys, if in the very previous attempts, if you see, other than one attempt, they have continuously tested residential chapter. But only in a January 2025 attempt, if you see, they have tested a capital gains, that is head-based chapter. So there was a possibility of getting either a head-based question or a residential status in the 2A. So there can be anything. Okay, this comes for either 6 marks or as a 5 marks based on the question. 2B, TDS or TDS. This is a short question, guys. Either TDS will come or either TCS will come for the 5 and 4 marks. 3A and 3B, either that is a head-based chapter. I will tell you what is head-based chapter. If you are not understanding what language I am speaking, I will explain you later in this video itself. 3A, 3B, head-based chapter, either for 5 marks or 6 marks it will come. But put together it will come for 10 marks. This is also a put together question for 10 marks. Like, 6 marks if they ask here, 4 marks here. For 5 marks here, 5 marks here. Like that they will ask, okay. In the fourth question, if you see, fourth question 4A will be a part like set off and carry forward or a clubbing or a deduction chapter will come. And 4B, this is a short question. Always a 4B is a written chapter. So, if 6 marks from this 4A comes, then 4B it for a 4 marks. If this is 5 marks, then also this will be 5 marks. So, put together anyways 10 marks, guys. Now, you would have confused what is head-based or non-head-based chapter. I will try to explain you. Most of the people would have understood, but for some who didn't understand, I was explaining that head-based chapter is a chapter which is salaries, house property, PGBP, capital gains and IFOS. Okay, non-head-based chapter or the other chapter, let's say residential status and TDS, TCS. Like that, like set off, clubbing, deductions, returns, like that and all is a non-head-based chapter. Guys, based on the above analysis, I split it into a 2 category, like head-based chapter and non-head-based chapter. You would have known now, right now, what is head-based and non-head-based. I was explaining you. Head-based chapter, if you see, there was a question from the 3A, 3B, and also there was a question possibility of 2A also. There might come or there might not come. Okay. And first question, there might always be a combination of all the chapters. That is first question, mostly a head-based chapter only. But sometimes majority, like almost like in 15 marks, 10 to 12 marks will come from PGBP chapter only. But there was some attempts where the combination of questions even was. So it was considered to be a head-based chapter only. So when you see head-based chapter, 3A and 3B, also there is a possibility of 2A also. Then if 3A, 3B is a short set head-based chapter, then 10 marks for sure. If 2A comes from head-based, then 5 marks add, then 15 marks you will get. So either 10 marks or 15 marks you will get, and plus 15 marks. This is the first question. First question for 15 marks. Like that I have split it. When I see non-head-based chapter, 4A, 4B, non-head-based chapter only. So that is for sure 10 marks will come. 2B, for sure 5 marks or 4 marks will come. So if you see, probably 15 marks is a short question. Here 10 marks and here 5 marks. And other chances of getting a non-head-based chapter is in the second question. If they have asked residential, it is a non-head-based. If it is a head-based, then it is a capital gains head-based chapter will come. So, short 15 marks or 20 marks. Considering 2A, it will 20 marks. Not considering 2A, it will be 15 marks. Okay, guys. Now, let's see the 60 plus exemption strategy. When I say 60 plus exemption strategy, not only with respect to direct tax. It is big with respect to GST also. Now let I split it off 60 marks into 30 marks for DT and 30 marks for GST. Okay. Now let's see the category. I was allotting you in an approach of two buckets. Either you are a first category or a second category. First category is something called as where you are a student, where you are thorough with head-based chapter and you are not that much good at non-head-based chapter. Second category, second bucket is for where you are a student, where you are very good at non-head-based chapters and you are not that much good with the head-based chapter. Then you are a second bucket category. And if you see, if you are a first bucket category, then congratulations, you have a big advantage. What is the advantage? You have an advantage of attending the mandatory question, that is the first question, because though you know the head-based chapter, you would also able to attempt the first question with a very almost like 50% of the confidence. So this was a very advantage for you. Now let's see for the first bucket what I need to explain. First bucket, first question, 15 marks. 2A, either it will be coming or not, I don't know, but I written 2A for 5 marks. 3A, 3B, for sure head-based chapter 10 marks. 4B, 5 marks. 4B in the sense it is what? It is a written chapter. Even though it is a head-based category, I was adding you here with the written chapter. Because it was a short question, guys. Doing written chapter just for 4 to 5 marks, not a big deal. Okay? You can do it. So, if you ask me a question, ma'am, we need to attend 3 questions out of 4 questions, but you have written all the 4 questions here, then what question should I leave? I will tell you, first question you are going to attend anyways. Since you are a head-based chapter, 3rd question you will attend. Also, this second question or 4th question is totally depending on you, whether this question is good at you or this question is good at you. If second question did not goes well for you, then you can go with 4th question B part, at least to get some 4 to 5 marks. So, I have written either you attend second or 4th question in this category, wherein you are a head-based category good student. Okay. Now let's see, first question and 3rd question put together, 15 marks plus 10 marks, 25 marks. Either of second or 4th you will attend. In second or 4th, if you attend also, there will be 5 marks, totally 30 marks. Out of 15 marks in MCQ, you are able to at least score some 5 marks. So then 5 marks, totally 35 marks. And I'm not meaning you here, 35 out of 35 you will get in examination. No. Out of 35, you will be at least getting some 20 or 25 plus in examination. So that 20 or 25 plus is short you can expect from the examination, because you are very good at head-based chapter. So this was the first category, thought process towards the exemption. Now let's see the second bucket, wherein you are a non-head-based chapter very good at, and head-based you are not that much good. Now you will be having a category that you need to attend a short second question for sure, out of which you will get 10 marks. So 10 marks here. Fourth question also, A and B, it is a non-head-based chapter completely. You are wanted to attend 10 marks from here. Totally put together 20 marks. Out of 15 marks in MCQ, you can at least gain 5 marks. So 25 marks totally. Based on the following, anyways you have to attend the first question. Whether you know the concept or whether you did not know the concept, you have to attend the first question. Like whatever the concept or whatever the knowledge you have with respect to first question, you will be attending. And I don't think that no one will be blind that much to like first question also they won't be able to approach. I think they can approach first question, not like entire question, at least some parts of the question. So I was expecting you can score 5 marks from the first question. Totally 30 marks. Out of 30 marks, you won't be getting 30 marks, but you can at least score 25 marks out of it. So there was a possibility of you for getting at least 20 to 25 marks, even if you are a head-based student, even if you are a non-head-based student. With this, if you have gained this knowledge for the paper, DT paper, then you can go through the GST for another some extra marks, like around 30 marks over there. So with that, you are able to get even a 60 plus in your third paper. So try to change the approach, guys. Just like that, taking a paper, just like that, taking an income tax book and sitting like, I don't know anything, I wanted to start freshly, I don't know how I'm going to score, nothing, no need to worry. Just categorize yourself, like whether you wanted to go with a head-based category or non-head-based category. Then split upon like according to yourself. Then even though if you are very like learning from the very new from right now, if you split in these two buckets, then you can even score 25 plus marks surely in the DT paper alone. Okay. So this is the approach with respect to my third paper. And I'll be coming up with the GST also. Just don't worry, guys, because I told this is a 60 plus exemption strategy. Only DT is explained. I'll be also explaining in the GST video. Okay. And this is not the video that suddenly I woke up, suddenly everything done, suddenly everything written and coming up with a video. No, not like that. As I mentioned, like accounts, also the analysis I made from the very previous attempts and also includes MTP, RTP. Based on this only the video is depending upon. Also, guys, if you want the analysis, let me show you one thing. Wait. So this is a video. This is the prediction paper that I made up with. This is from the May 24, September 24, January 25, May 25 and September 25. All put together, I just written up, and based on that analysis only, I just came up with this video. Also, guys, if you want analysis from May 24 to September 25 attempt, let me know in the comment section. If I at least get 30 plus comments and 25 plus likes, I will be coming up with that analysis video for the direct tax paper also. Also, guys, if you want, I don't want the video to get uploaded like what for the views purpose. I want the video to be useful for you and useful for me. Already I made an analysis for May 24 to September 25. That is useful for me. But if it is wanted to, if it is required for you, and also if you wanted to use that analysis also, let me know in the comment section. But one more thing I was explaining, at least I want 30 plus comments and 25 likes. Then only I will get to know that is this actually required for the students for the January 2026 examination. Okay. Now, subscribe my channel CA Hub. I'll be coming up with more other subjects or interesting videos for the January 2026 examinations also. Thanks for watching the video guys. Bye bye.